Laser Dave with Laguna Tools here at Universal Air Systems. We're installing the DLP laser cutter with the tube rotary shuttle table full enclosed system. This is a 2,000 watt IPG fiber laser. We're cutting plate, tube. We've got it all installed and we're doing some training and cutting now.
Hi, Zach here from Universal Air. We manufacture custom car air suspension. Our main focus is in the car side, but we also do quite a bit for the trucks. We decided to purchase the Laguna laser because we've been outsourcing to have everything cut locally, but the challenge runs into lead times was our biggest hurdle. When we design something, we want to try it out. Before, we would have to make your file, send it out, get it cut, and when you get it back, you got to tweak it a little bit or what have you. You have a hard time with that because you got to redesign it, send it out, have it recut, get them back. Sometimes a couple days, but sometimes it's a couple weeks, which makes it really hard. With having the laser here in-house, we can actually design it, cut it, try it, and if it needs a little tweaking, change the files, recut it, and we can get that unit into production really quickly.
With this machine, we're using sight cut to program and nest. We use the plate side, and then we use sight tube for the tube rotary side. Zach has learned how to run this in all of about a day's time. He's running his own plates, making his own cut conditions. He's loving it. This is the shuttle table. Here they're going to do a lot of production parts. They want to be able to load and unload and cut material at the same time. They have a really effective means of loading the sheet. They have a yellow magnetic boom that they can put the sheets on here so they don't have to get the fork really close to the machine. They can set it where they want to. It's real easy and effective. This enclosed model, they bought the optional E-Flex fume extractor. This thing works really good for getting rid of all the small particles and debris and fumes out of the machine.
During the install was pretty interesting. This is a fairly large machine for us and we are pretty cramped on space. Thankfully Dave and the team at Laguna has helped get this thing up and running. The knowledge and education that they've given us on how to make cuts, parameters and stuff like that's been really helpful. So adding this machine into our capacity gives us the ability to do a lot more rapid prototypes, along with doing small one-off and kind of oddball stuff for whatever the application calls for. We do get a lot of weird vehicle calls where we need to make something special for it. So having this capacity in-house makes it really nice to be able to turn out that type of product very quickly.
Thanks for coming along on the installation of this DLP. For any questions or more information, please give us a call or look us up online at lagunatools.com. Thank you.